Planning to study in Australia in 2025? This video is your one-stop solution, and we are breaking it down in under 10 minutes. Whether you're just finishing class 12 or already in college, this video is your one-stop guide to getting an Australia student visa, subclass 500, including the full process, cost, documents, part-time work, and what life is like in Australia. Let's begin your journey to Australia. Step 1. Get an offer letter first. You need a confirmation of enrollment. This means applying to and getting accepted by a recognized Australian university or college. Sounds simple, but this is where many students get stuck. Which university is best? Which course supports long-term goals like PR? What's affordable based on my budget? At Aussie Pathways, we help you select the right course and university based on your academic background, career ambitions, and financial situation, not random recommendations. Step 2. Write Statement of Purpose and GTE. After getting your confirmation of enrollment, the next critical step is writing your Statement of Purpose and the Genuine Temporary Entrant GTE declaration. This is not just a formality. It's one of the top reasons why student visas get rejected. The GTE is a detailed explanation where you must prove that you are a genuine student with real academic and career goals. You understand your course and how it benefits your future. You plan to return home after completing your studies. You have no hidden intention to misuse the students fail hereby submitting copied or generic statement of purpose, giving vague or inconsistent reasons for choosing the course, city, or college, not explaining ties to home country or family obligations, ignoring past visa history, gaps in education, or financial limitations. At Aussie Pathways, we treat the GTE like a legal document, not just an essay. We guide you to clearly explain why this course and university show strong career goals aligned with your course, address any study gaps, previous refusals, or visa history, present your financial and family situation honestly but strategically. We also update your GTE according to the latest immigration policies, so it reflects what Australian visa officers are actually looking for. Step 3. Apply for visa. Once your documents are ready, you'll need to create an IME account, upload your documents, pay the visa application fee, undergo a medical exam if required. Sounds like a lot? We take care of the entire application, step by step, ensuring no errors or missing details that could delay your visa. Cost breakdown for Indian students. So how much will it cost? Let's break it down for Indian students. Visa fee is 710 Australian dollars. Tuition fees is 20,000 Australian dollars to 40,000 per year. Health insurance is 500 Australian dollars, 700 per year. Living expenses proof is 24,505 Australian dollars as per visa rules. This proof of funds can come from savings, fixed deposits, approved education loan. Aussie Pathways can help you with loan guidance, document templates, and choosing courses that meet visa and budget criteria. Life in Australia as a student. Most Indian students choose cities like Melbourne, Sydney, Brisbane, and Adelaide. You'll likely stay in shared accommodation. Rent ranges from 150 Australian dollars to 250 per week. Food, transport, and personal expenses vary. Expect costs for phone plans, groceries, public transport, occasional travel, or entertainment. Working part-time in Australia, international students can work up to 48 hours per fortnight during class, full-time during vacations and semester breaks. Common jobs include Uber Eats delivery, grocery stores, petrol pumps, cafes, and restaurants. Office admin work with good time management. Students often earn 800 Australian dollars to 1,200 per month. Now the most frequently asked questions are: how to find a job in Australia? Can international students pay the course fee and living expenses working part-time? If you want us to make a detailed video about it, comment job documents checklist for student visa. So what documents do you need for your student visa application? Valid passport, conf of enrollment, statement of purpose, ANAM, GTE, academic records, IELTS, PTE score, OSHC, insurance, proof of funds, medical test results, if required, understanding intakes in Australia, ANAM. When to apply. Australia offers 3 major student intakes every year. February, main intake, almost all universities and courses are open. Higher chances for scholarships and seat availability. July, mid-year intake, second most popular. Many key programs are available, good for those who miss the February deadline. November, smaller intake, limited universities and courses, useful for vocational or short-term programs. Visa processing usually takes 4 to 6 weeks, so it's recommended that you start preparing your documents, selecting your university, and writing your SOP GTE 5 to 6 months in advance. Or apply at least 3 to 4 months before your course starts. Where students go wrong. Here are some common struggles: choosing the wrong course or city, statement of purpose or GTE gets rejected. Unable to show proper funds, agents push them into overpriced colleges. No help after landing. If you want us to make a detailed video on how to select the right course and university which not only will fit your budget, will also open the door for permanent residency, comment course, but no worries. Aussie Pathways is here to support you. What we will offer is free and honest eligibility check, personalized statement of purpose, GTE, and course selection, loan and funds document guidance, visa filing support through IMI account, pre-departure guidance, post-arrival job and housing tips, long-term support for PR-focused planning. Unlike agents who push you into random colleges for their commission, we focus on what's right for you. And best of all, our initial assessment is 100% free and completely honest. So if you're planning to study in Australia in 2025, don't wait. If you are serious about your intention, visit our website aussiepathways.com to get your free eligibility check today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates on visas, universities, PR pathways, and real student stories.